Use plastic bolt positioning washers to hold the toilet bolts upright in the flange so you can install a toilet by yourself. Place the flange bolts into the flange slots with their heads down and threads up, then snap a plastic bolt positioning washer over each bolt so the washer grips the threads and holds the bolt vertical. Before setting the bowl down, install a new wax ring or wax-free seal centered on the flange and push the bolt positioning washers a little inward so they will be captured by the toilet base when lowered. When using the bolt positioning washers, also fit the flat plastic washer and then the nut loosely on each bolt above the toilet base so the bolt cannot fall back into the flange during the final seating. Hover the toilet directly above the flange with steady hands. Align the toilet horn over the seal, then lower the bowl straight down so the bolt pockets slide over the held bolts and the bolt positioning washers seat inside the toilet base. After the bowl is resting on the floor, press straight down with your weight to compress the seal. Then finger tighten the nuts and washers to set the bowl square and level before torquing to spec with alternating strokes. Common mistakes are forcing the bowl down when bolts are misaligned, which can damage the horn or crush the seal. So always verify bolt positioning washers are holding the bolts vertical and wiggle the bolts slightly to ensure free movement before lowering. Another issue is over-tightening the nuts that causes porcelain to crack and uneven seals. So tighten nuts slowly in alternating turns and stop when the bowl will not rock, then back off a quarter turn. A third problem is forgetting to install a protective cap or caulk which allows moisture and odors to escape. So add plastic bolt caps and run a thin bead of caulk at the tank to bowl and base to floor interfaces as appropriate for your installation. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and tools and tips related to projects like toilet installation and hardware hacks. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share practical advice, ask questions, and post photos of installations.